guys and welcome. My Glossybox is here. This looks so stylish. I really like it. But before we dive into this box, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. If beauty subscription unboxings are your thing, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified of all my future uploads. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair, and let's go. Now, before we dive into that box, I just want to say thank you to Sue. Thank you, Sue, for recommending where to pick these up. Asda, £1 a box or 4 for 3. So yeah, I'm really pleased. Thank you so much. Glossybox. Like I said, this box just looks absolutely gorgeous. If you're unfamiliar with Glossybox, it is a monthly beauty subscription service. I will link all the details down below of how much I pay and the details of the subscription, and I will link it to their website as well, so you can go and have a nose. Because otherwise I will sit here for 10 minutes explaining what it's all about. We just want to dive into the box. There is, I think this is it timeless? There's a theme to this one. Timeless treats. There we go. And I think, yeah, this is quite timeless. I think it's very like Hollywood, 1950s, very glamour noir, and yeah, really like it. It's going on the shelf. Glossybox have now gone digital. They were digital last month, they're digital this month, and that's how they will be for the foreseeable. So you get a little card, scan it with your camera on your phone, and it will take you to their magazine, which is cool. Always comes well presented, apart from this month. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was in popping the box together or it was something that had gone wrong with the courier, but everything was out of the paper. It was just everywhere. It looked an absolute mess, so I had to retie it, and the ribbon wasn't even tied either. It just kind of looked like it was just thrown in, which is very unlike Glossybox. I was a bit disappointed. So I've had a spoiler because I've had to put it back together, which is a bit frustrating. But there we go. That's what the inside looks like. Before we dive in, I've already screenshotted what we need. I'm going to show you the sneak peek for next month. It looks quite interesting. I don't know how I feel about it because we'll get quite a few, but yeah. If you don't want to see it, close your eyes now. I'm hoping you'll be able to see it on the camera. And there we go. Like I said, we do get quite a few of them, but it's gone. There we go. Yeah, this one looks interesting. So you can open your eyes now. I'm not mad at it, but I don't know how I feel. Right, so let's dive in, and I'll give you a cheeky sneaky peek before we pull everything out. There we go. Nice cheeky sneaky peek. Like I did say, I did tidy it up because it looks a mess. Right, now the first item out, I think this was the sneak peek from last month, and it's from the brand Rituals, and it is the Ritual of Myrrh. Now, I had a body lotion in this over Christmas, and it was absolutely stunning. This is a hair and body mist. Now, I may not use this on my hair because the last hair mist that I used that was scented made me really itch. It was horrible. So I gave it to a friend, but I will use this, I think, on the body. Yeah, it smells exactly like the lotion. That reminds me of Christmas with a touch of orange. It's got a really nice kind of citrusy note to it, but it's very sort of like musky, and it just kind of gives me that sense. When I used it at Christmas, was this is what they took to Jesus, and this is what it smelled like. So yeah, it was really nice. So I am looking forward to trying that. I'm just going to give you just a bit of information of what Glossybox have said about it. I'm too sorry, we have to refer to the phone now. And it says, it's the Ritual of Myrrh Sparkling Hair and Body Mist. This is the deluxe mini. There's 20 mils in here, and it's worth £5.90. The full size is 50 mils, and it's worth £17.50. It would be nice if we had a bigger one. We get a lot of mini sprays. Yeah. Can we have full size, please? Especially if you fall in love with it. But it's not a bad value if you do fall in love with it and you want to repurchase. And it says, boost your mood and energise your soul with the Ritual of Myrrh Hair and Body Mist, celebrating the joy that comes from the bold, bright energy of the sun. This timeless scent will leave you feeling full of life all day long. This elegant and mood-enhancing scent of sweet orange and cedarwood is perfect for fragrance in your hair, skin and surroundings. So yeah, I will probably be spraying it everywhere apart from my hair. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that one. It could just do with being a bit bigger. Right, the next item we have, oh my goodness, I'm sorry if I pronounce this wrong, is from Vegan, I think. And it's the original skin, and it's an essence toner. Now I'm going to open this up in a minute and just smell it. I'm hoping it's fragrance free because, like I've mentioned several times, I'm using Skin and Me, so it's there's a lot of stuff I can't put on my skin. But if this is kind of fragrance free and it's okay, let's dab a bit on the back of my hand. Just a little blob. It's gone everywhere. I can't really smell anything. All I can smell is that myrrh. It's very, very strong and orange. But yeah, and that what I've rubbed in on the back of my skin feels nice as well. It's got like a oil kind of feel to it. Not a really oily oil, but yeah, oily oil. That made a lot of sense. So let's see what Glossybox have said. And this is full size. Wow. This is £34.99. So that's a nice value item. I like that. How many mils in this? It's vegan, which is cool. Looks like it's cruelty free, and I can't see how many mils are in there, but that's quite cool. They don't say here either, they've just said it's full size. And it's the original Skin Essence toner, the toner your skincare routine has been longing for. I need something. The toner is the ideal skin balancer for use after cleansing, which is good because a toner or an essence, they're called both things now, is supposed to restore your pH balance back to what your natural skin pH should be, ready for skincare. So it just kind of, it's like a reset button, which is really, really nice. I'm not using them at the moment because of Skin and Me, but I think I may use this because my skin is playing up, so it might be that I'm out of balance. So yeah, and it says the toner is ideal skin balancer to use after cleansing with natural super ingredients that are known for skin soothing, which is good, including aloe vera juice, chamomile and calendula. I think this antioxidant rich formula will make your skin feel softer as well as more nourished and calm. So yeah, I'm gonna give that one a go, I think, and see how I go with it. You know, if it's got aloe vera in it, it's nice and soothing. So yeah. The next item we've got is from the brand Illamasqua, and it's a liquid eyeliner. It's nice to have a different brand eyeliner. This is in the shade black, and it looks like it's sort of like a mini travel size. I'm going to pop it out of the packaging, but I'm not going to open this up. I'll pop it by for a giveaway because I don't use liquid liners. We get a lot of them as well. Yeah, but this is a nice pricey brand, so you know, black. It'd be nice for someone to try and see how they like it. And let's see what Glossybox are saying about it. Yeah, it's the deluxe mini. It's worth £10. The full size of that is £21, which isn't bad. And it says bold eye-catching looks that never go out of style couldn't be easier with this liquid eyeliner pen, creating sharp, colour-intense lines with ease. The unique formula of this liner is seriously smudge-proof, meaning whether you've mastered an intricate eye look or fabulously feline flicks, your liner is staying put. I like that. They also put the links as well, so you can actually click a link, and if you wanted to go and purchase it, you can repurchase it, which is quite cool. I like that. The next item we've got is a bit squished because it's in kind of like that metal tube, and it's from the brand We Are Paradox, and this is a repair 3-in-1 conditioner, hair mask and finishing cream, which is cool. So you can use it for all of them. So you could use it after you've shampooed, use it as, you know, your normal conditioner. You can use it as an intense hair mask, so in the bath, face mask, pop the mask on after you shampooed, leave it on for a good 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes sometimes. I do. Rinse this off, or you can use it as a finish cream. So I'll use it when my hair was wet rather than dry, and then go in and style as normal. So yeah, I'm really intrigued. I've not used anything from this brand before either. This looks like it's got 50 mils in it, so I'm quite intrigued as to see what Glossybox have said about it. It's a deluxe mini, it's 50 mils and it's worth £10.50, and the full size of that is 250 mils and it's worth £20. I think I should get quite a few uses out of that as well, and I've got really dry hair at the moment, so it's come at a good time. Not mad at that one. It says luscious locks are a must in any elegant beauty look, and this repair 3-in-1 conditioner is the hair hero you need to know about. Yay. As a conditioner, it works instantly to detangle, soften and repair damaged hair, whilst also acting as a nourishing hair mask and a finishing cream to banish frizz and flyaways. Your hair will have never felt so healthy and fully hydrated. Yeah, I think I need something like that. And the last item we have got, oh, this is different. It's from the Beauty Crop, and it's the BFF Brow Friends Forever. I could do with a new brow gel. I am working my way through. We do get a lot of brow gels, but we've not had one from the Beauty Crop before, which is quite cool. It's nice and clear, so if you've got an unsteady hand like myself, you haven't got to worry about getting it everywhere. Let's just have a look at what this little wand looks like. It's just your bog standard kind of little spoody wand. I'm checking the fragrance just because recently I used a Sample Beauty one and it was like plastic and it was absolutely awful. So yeah, that's really cute packaging as well. It reminds me of the tinted or the colour changing lip oil that we got recently, which is nice. I quite like that. And that is that full size? Yeah, it's full size, and it retails at £5, so that's not a bad value either. And it says, for big bushy brows that stand the test of time, this clear brow gel should be your go-to. Use alone or over your current favourite brow pencil or powder, applying in short upward strokes. Key ingredients in this gel are fab for health for your brows too. Oh, that's cool. So you're actually helping them and not just sticking them to your face. Castor oil contributes to the eyebrow hairs growing thicker and more luscious, with vitamin E nourishes each hair strand to create volume. That's really cool. I like that because I'm currently using the e.l.f. brow serum, or lash and brow serum, just because my brows, yeah, they're there, but they're kind of patchy and I have to fill them in with a pencil. So I'm just trying to bring back the regrowth. So if that helps as well, then that's absolutely fabulous. Right, I'm just going to run through what we've got. So we've got the nice toner from Vegan, which is quite cool. We have got the We Are Paradox 3-in-1 kind of hair treatment. So it's a mask, it's a conditioner, it's a finishing cream, which is nice. We've got the Illamasqua black eyeliner pen. We got the brow gel from the Beauty Crop, and we've also got the Ritual Mist. I'm really looking forward to using this because it smells absolutely gorgeous and it smells stunning in here as well. I may end up using it just as air spray, just when I'm walking in the room. I've got a new cup as well. This is me, sassy with a touch of sarcasm. This is lovely. A lovely friend of mine picked it up for me for my birthday, which is really, really nice. So yeah, I'm going to have a glug of tea because I've been talking way too much. Overall, I'm quite pleased with the box. Glossybox have been kind of inconsistent. It's a nice polite way of putting it. But I think that one, you've got kind of an all-round there. Skincare, hair care, makeup. Really, really nice. And, you know, some nice fragrance. And I do like rituals. So yeah, if you get Glossybox or you just want to let me know what I unboxed, what you thought of it this month, then drop me a comment down below or just say hi. I love it when people just go hi. So yeah, I do love hearing from you. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.